Hey everyone! In this super quick video, I'll show you how to split a cell diagonally and have two headings in the same cell. In this example, I've got a table that has the monthly sales of the sales team members. In cell A1, I'd like to have two headings, the salesperson and the month. The first step is to split the cell diagonally. I'll highlight cell A1, and I'll make sure I'm in the Home tab. Next, I'll click on the down arrow of the Borders button, and I will choose the More Borders option that's at the bottom of the menu. This launches the Format Cells menu. I can change a number of options, including the line style, which includes thinner or thicker lines, as well as dotted lines. I can also change the color if I'd like. However, I'll keep the line styles as they are to match the rest of the table. Looking at the border area, we can see that the top, bottom, left, and right borders are selected. I will add the diagonal that goes from the top left to the lower right. As you can see, the preview now shows the diagonal line. I'll click OK, and now cell A1 has a diagonal line. Now to add the headings for salesperson and months. Once again, I'll highlight cell A1 and type month. And then I will use Alt plus Enter to do a line return within the cell and type salesperson. It doesn't quite look right yet. I'm going to change the font color to white and make it bold. Okay, we're getting closer. I'll highlight cell A1 and then enter some spaces before the word month. Now we have the cell split diagonally with two headings. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again and have an excellent day.